Hi guys, so I'm here in my mirror right now because I'm about to do my room tour. I live in the upperclassmen dorms, which are about a 10-minute walk from FIT, from the actual school building. They're called Kaufman Hall, and I'm a junior, so that's why I'm over here. It's really nice being over here. It's a really easy commute, like 10-minute walk, even less if you want it to be. And but it's also nice because sometimes you can feel like you're not really at school anymore, which is different from the other dorms that are right across the street from the school, but those are really nice too. I lived there my freshman year and I really loved it. So basically I'll give you a little overview of the room. This is my side and my roommate's side. There's just two of us, but I'll start at the front door. So here's my front door, and we have a hook for coats, which is really nice because it's the dead of winter, so it's freezing here in New York City. And then if you open this door, here's our bathroom. Toilet, sink, and then the shower over there. It's really nice. There's two of us, so we only have one sink. If there's more than two, you get two sinks, and you also get a stall around your toilet, but there's only two of us. So then I'll turn around a little bit, and we have our kitchen area. So every dorm in Kaufman is like this, so you have a kitchenette, it's called. And then it comes with all the appliances except for a microwave. There's a spot that one fits perfectly, but if you're gonna want one, you have to bring it yourself, so that's what we did. And then there's a bunch of cabinet space for food and plates and utensils and all that. Cleaning supplies we leave under there. And then keep going, here is our dining room table, I guess you would call it. And then there's two chairs. You get as many chairs as there are roommates. In the room, there's two of us, so we have two chairs. And then on top of it, we have some donuts from Holy Cream, which is a great donut place. They have ice cream, brownies, cookies, a bunch of stuff. It's right a few blocks up from our dorms, so we like to order stuff from there sometimes. And then this is my roommate's side, so her bed, and then her closet and her desk. And then my side's set up the same way. The desk is next to hers, my closet, and my bed. And then underneath the beds, there is drawer space that they provide, which is really nice because it's out of the way, but really handy for more clothes or other things. And then it's also nice because if you raise your bed, you have space underneath, so that's where I keep my printer and my textbooks, my nice camera, my protein and gym stuff, my yoga mat, and then my hamper is in the corner there. So that's a really nice extra space for a small room. And then I just hung up a mirror on my closet, which is nice. And then this is the desk, which you also get these drawers provided, which are really nice because, again, more space, and those can be moved as well. So if you don't want them there, you can move them somewhere else, but it's nice to keep them there because they're out of the way, but still handy. Then we're on the third floor in the front of the building, so you can see perfectly all of the construction across the street. But we have a really nice view of the New Yorker sign, which is right up there. And if you're up higher, you have an amazing view, but we're pretty low, so, it's fine, we deal with it. It's still really nice. Obviously we're in the city, so if we want a nice view, we can go anywhere. So yeah, I hope you really liked it. This is my dorm. I love it here, so yeah. Hi guys, so I already gave you a tour of my room, but I figured I would give you a tour of the hallway that is the same on each floor here in Kaufman, since I'm walking to the trash room anyways, and it's at the end of the hall. So I just open this door, walk down to the trash room. My room is waiters, which is really nice and convenient when I'm in a rush and think instead of taking the elevator. Now we're in the trash room. There's a recycling bins because FIT is really big on recycling, and definitely advocate for that. And then now I'm just going back down to my room, and on the other side of the hall, the other end, there's just stairs on that end. There's not another trash room, so everyone has to go down to that one, which can be pretty inconvenient, I guess, if you're on the other side of the hall, but I'm right in the middle, so it's not a problem. But yeah. Hi guys, so Ashley and I are in the basement right now. I didn't say earlier, but she is my roommate, so that's how we know each other, that's how we're friends. So we're in the basement, which is where everyone's mailboxes are. So every person that lives in Kaufman Hall gets their own mailbox. So if you get letters, that's where they go. But if you get packages, then down that hallway is a mailroom and you have to pick it up there. And then if we keep going, right here is the work study room, which in there is just tables and then cut boards for like design students or whatever. And then here's the computer lab, which is a bunch of computers if you want to work together with people on computers, not use your own. There's also a table in there to just sit. And then keep going down the hallway. There's the fitness center, which I can give a little sneak peek of. And then over here is the laundry room, which we're gonna go in because I have to pick up my laundry. And there are a bunch of washers and dryers in here, so there's never a problem finding one if you need to do laundry. It's really easy. And when you get in here, this is the same for all the dorms. You get a laundry card, so you just refill it, and then whenever you use your laundry, it's $1.25 per washer and $1.25 per dryer. So yeah, it's really easy. So like I said earlier, I'm a junior, so I live in the upperclassmen dorms, but right across from like the actual building that our school is the underclassmen, so freshmen and transfer dorms. And so here's one of them. It's under construction, but you can see as you go on, there's another one and another. There's 3. So there's co-ed, Nagler, and alumni. And yeah, they're really great. I lived in Nagler my first year and it was a lot of fun. That's when I met my roommate, who's been my roommate all throughout. So yeah.